Are there particular industries or regions where enterprise AI is going to take off faster than other ones, according to you?
So I think two sectors, right? I think one is the one which is already doing the transformation, BFSI, right? I think what are banks? They're largely digital custodians of your wealth, right? Or what is an insurance? Digital custodian of your risk appetite, etc., right? So I think that is one sector which is digitalized at a massive level, which understands data intrinsically, and which is built on customer interaction and has not had the ability to be very personalized, right? So I think they are going to be the first to transform. Right? They are in competition with AI itself. They are AI itself. The second I feel is a sector which is under-recognized, which is manufacturing. But I think it's going to sort of get hit two places. Right now, it's going to get hit on all its system of records, ERPs, CRMs, IoT, right? Factory 4.0, wherein, everyone's like, oh, we have digitalized our factory, but what has it done? It's given them dashboards. Now AI can sit on top of those dashboards and say, hey, these are ideal manufacturing conditions. Or, if this part needs to be procured, I'm going to not send to only those 3 vendors we always talk to. I'm going to talk to 50 other vendors and see who can provide me better, right? It can do it at scale. And then a year or 2 down the line, or maybe 3 years down the line, physical AI comes. And that is like a massive change totally, right? Because then the robotics quality just goes through the roof. So I think that's going to be a sector that's going to be very exciting as well.